Alright, we're going to test out these FX hybrid slugs. Let's see how they do. They're 22 grains in our 22 caliber, shooting it out of an LCS. We didn't really clock the velocity yet, but we'll see how these do. We put an exploding tip inside them, so they're impact sensitive. We're going to see what they do on to a cinder block. Let's test this out. Okay, now this was an exploding tip hollow point slug from FX. Alright, let's look at the difference here. Oh, the one without the explosions on the left, the exploding tip is on the right. Very nice. Look at that. Big difference.